What do you want to look for?
I'm looking for bargains. I'm looking for companies that I believe, like Disney, are going to have a better year in 2023 because they have good management, better management than they had, and are going to figure out how to make more money because maybe they can go and talk to talent. Talent knows what they do. I don't want to buy companies directly in the crosshairs of the Fed. I mean, for instance, I don't want to buy traditional cyclical companies that are not related to the infrastructure giveaways of this administration.
Right.
When you say giveaways, you're not suggesting we don't need infrastructure activity.
Well, our country is well behind in infrastructure, but I'm saying that typically you would do those things when there's enough workers, when there's enough steel plants, we don't have enough of any of that. So those companies are all going to be very inflated, and they're going to be a great place to be on earnings because you can't believe that they're going to have such great numbers. I think Caterpillar's going to shock you. Cummins will shock you. I think that Deere will shock you. These are must buys. Eaton could shock you. They're must buys. I like it.
Right now, nothing's working. All sectors are red. Financials down, industrials down. Jim, this Goldman sell call on Western Didge is going to make that your worst S&P ladder.
Well, they're doing terribly, and I think the inventory glut that a lot of people thought was going to end at year-end is not over. There's a semiconductor there's a glut of tremendous proportions for semiconductors, and yet these analysts keep trying to jump the gun and say the glut is over. None of the companies are telling me the glut's over. I mean, I speak to the companies, I say, hey, well, how's the glut? I guess it's going to be in. I'd like to make a year-end call saying we're okay. And they're like, no, don't do that.
Takes us back to what Sienna said last week. We have no problem getting the semis we need.
It's no problem at all. I mean, there's a couple stocks. I'm just watching the tape. T-Mobile, a fantastic note, JP Morgan, about how well T-Mobile's doing.
Yes.
Great note about how Mondelez is doing. People like chocolate. I think Hershey's going to do well. But when it comes to anything connected with semis, it's a bad day. There are too many. And that's also China's not using them as much as we thought.